What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you are all having a great day, and in this video we are going to be discussing NIO and where I think it's heading, and also we're going to be breaking it down from a technical standpoint. Now before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support y'all have been giving me. Now let's get right into the video and talk about what NIO did today and how it actually played out how I said it was going to do, or one of the ways I said it was going to do. Now, in case you missed my NIO video, I talked about how when it reacts to this level right here, we're either going to get rejected by it or we're going to push through. And look what happened, guys. We were able to push through this, and look where we bounced at. We bounced right at this support line. You see this wick right here? That means that price was pushed down to here, but buyers came up and closed it right here. So this is what you want to see if you're bullish. Now, going into tomorrow's session, we really need to see how we react around this support. Do we continue to hold it and push up, or do we fall right through? Now, based off of how it's been reacting around the support at the end of the session today, I think we're going to hold the support and continue up. Now, if we were bearish, I think we would have just fell right through it and not hold this support. But since we're holding it like this, we had two candles that confirmed it. Well, really three. First, we had the push up. Then we had the confirmation on both these candles. And this is the after hours, so I'll take the after hours off as well. So now you can look at it a little better. Either way, guys, we had this confirmation candle right here that lets us know that yes, this was indeed the support. Just because we had this wick to touch the support and we push right back up. Now, like I do in all my videos, we're going to structure our trade out here on this video so you can get an idea of how to play this if you want to get in tomorrow. Now, I would put my stop loss right here at the top of this wick. It all depends on how you want to manage your risk. Now, the way I manage my risk is going to be different from yours. Meaning, if you get in with a larger position, have a tighter stop loss. But if you get in with a, not too much of a position, then have that wider stop loss. So if you get in with a position size where it's not your normal position size, it's smaller, then go and have that wider stop loss. That's perfectly fine to do. But however, when I get in my trades, I like to have my tight stop losses, and that's exactly what I'd have on NIO. Now you notice that I have my take profit above this resistance. However, if we do push up to that resistance, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, then I'll see how it reacts around here and I may lock in profits. But this was a good sign for us, guys. This is what we needed today. This is what NIO needed today. So if you were trading this, congratulations. We basically went from $42 to highs of $46. Then we had that pullback. I mentioned in my other NIO video, I said, now we may get a pullback and that's perfectly fine. Don't panic when that red candle happens. The red candle after a huge push up is completely normal. Now on the bigger picture, guys, we're just making higher lows. So we're doing good right now on NIO, and I just be patient and see how we are doing tomorrow. But like I said, if you're in this, I'm actually in this right now. I have a couple calls, so I'm looking for the play for it to push up tomorrow. I'm bullish tomorrow, but like I said, trades don't always play out how you want it to, and that's why we always have our stop loss. It's always important to have this stop loss. But looking at how NIO did today, I think we're pretty bullish tomorrow just because we blew right past the support and we held it. Now, this would have been a different story if we weren't able to uphold the support. Like if we did something like this, we pushed up and then we fell down. That would have been a different story. However, we pushed up, came back down, and held this support. That's what type of plays you need to look out for in any stock. You need to look at how they hold their support level. If you want to get in something, then make sure it holds that support level, because we really easily could have done this action right here, the second option, where we hit resistance and we fell back down to this area right here as I charted out right here. But we didn't, and that's the main reason I'm bullish. So going into tomorrow, we're looking for that hold of that support, and then we're looking for it to test resistance. Now, it doesn't have to do this. We could hang out, somewhere awkwardly in between this support and resistance. We don't have to hit this tomorrow, but it could happen. And then once we get here, I'd want to see some type of consolidation around this area, and then another push up, retest the support, guys, and then guess what? We're heading back to all-time highs. If we can do this, if we can consolidate around the resistance and then break above, retest, I have no doubt in my mind, guys, that we're heading to all-time highs once again on NIO, just because this is such a strong bullish sign. So going into tomorrow's session, guys, notice how we hang around the support. Do we hold it or do we break through? If we break through, cut your losses, but depending on where your stop loss is, we could have a slight dip and then still hold that support. So just be careful when you're trading this tomorrow. Don't get shaken out, that morning dip. Just be patient, see where things go, and then like I said, see if we test this resistance tomorrow. Do we stay in between or do we fall through? Those are the 3 scenarios tomorrow I'm going to be looking out for, and also you should as well. Now, if you're watching this video in the morning, just compare how this chart looks right now into what your chart is looking in the morning, and then base your trade off of that. Anyways, guys, I hope you have an amazing day tomorrow. I hope you make profits, and I'll see you all in the next video.